Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel The Monica Pandey. My name is Monica and today we are going to discuss about drones, their future benefits and legal compliances guide. Must know rules about drones. ड्रोन्स हमारे लिए जस्ट एक कूल गैजेट्स ही नहीं, ये हमारा आने वाला फ्यूचर है. From filming epic shots to saving lives, drones are changing the game. But before you fly one, you need to know the legal rules as well. Otherwise, you could face huge fines. So today we are breaking down two things: the biggest benefits of drones in the coming years, and number two is must know laws to avoid legal troubles. Drones are not just toys anymore, they are revolutionizing our world. From saving lives to delivering your pizza, drones are changing everything. But how? Today we are revealing the top 10 ways drones will shape the future and why you should care. Let's take off. How drones are beneficial in everyday life. Let's discuss about the types of drones. Drones comes in various types, each designed for specific purpose. From recreational flying to industries applications, here is a breakdown of the main type of drones categorized by design, size and functionality. If we categorize by design, so there are multiple kind of drones. Number one is multi-rotor drones, and their use is for aerial photography, videography, surveillance, hobby flying. And the feature is multiple propellers, vertical takeoff, landing, stable hovering. For example, quadcopters, four rotors, hexacopters, octocopters. And their cons are short flying time, limited speed. And their pros are easy to control, affordable, great for beginners. Number two is fixed wings drones like airplane, and their features are single rigid wings, requires runaway launch mechanism. We can use them for mapping, surveying, long range inspections, agriculture pipelines. Its pros are long flight time, high speed, large coverage, and the cons are hard to fly, no hovering and expensive. Next, third type is single rotor helicopter drones. One main rotor plus tail rotor like helicopters. They can be used for heavy lifting like mapping, cargo deliveries. Their pros are longer flight time than multiple rotors, and they can carry heavy payloads. Their cons are complex mechanics, expensive dangers. Fourth type is VTOL drones. The feature combines fixed wings efficiency, rotor-based VTOL. They can be used for military, long-range inspections, emergency deliveries, and they are best for both worlds, endurance and hovering. Their cons are complex design, high cost. As per their size, we can categorize them for nano, micro, small, medium, and large, and their specifications are given here. As per functionality, drones can be divided into many categories. And let's discuss the types of drones by functionality one by one. Number 1. Instant delivery. Amazon, Uber Eats, medicine. Imagine ordering food, medicine, or even your new phone and getting it in minutes, not hours. Companies like Amazon and Zipline are already making drone delivery a reality. Number 2 is next level filmmaking and photography. Drones giving filmmakers and YouTubers insane aerial shots that used to cost thousands. Now anyone can shoot like a pro. Number 3, smarter farming and agriculture. Farmers use drones to monitor crops, save water, and boost yields by 20%. The future of food. More efficient, less waste. Drones can cover 100 times faster than manual labor. Drones are saving lives as well. On number 4, search and rescue mission. Drones with thermal camera can spot missing people in minutes, saving lives in disasters, wildfires and avalanches. On number 5, medical emergencies and blood delivery. In remote areas, drones deliver blood and vaccines faster than ambulances. This is not a science fiction, it's happening now. Zipline 5 lakhs plus life-saving deliveries. On number 6, firefighting and disaster response. Firefighters use drone to track wildfires in real time, keeping crews safe and stopping disasters before they spread. Let's discuss the future benefits of drones. AI drone, avoiding obstacles, delivering packages on its own. Soon, drones will fly themselves using AI, no pilot needed. Think self-driving cars but in the sky. Number 8 is Internet and cell service for remote areas. Companies like Facebook and Google are testing solar drones to bring internet to billions without cables or towers. Number 9, construction and inspection. For example, drones scanning a skyscraper for damage. Inspecting bridges, power lines, and oil rigs used to be dangerous. Now drones do it in minutes, saving billions. And last on number 10, personal transportation means flying taxis. The ultimate future, flying taxis. Companies are already testing passenger drones. Commuting could mean flying over traffic. Drones are not just the future, they are here and they are changing everything. Which benefit blew your mind? But before keeping a drone, you must be aware of drones law in India. So let's discuss must-know rules to avoid fines and jails in case of drones flying. Drones in India can capture breathtaking views, but fly the wrong way, you could face Rs 50,000 fines or even jail time. Whether you are a traveler, filmmaker or hobbyist, here is everything you need to know about India's drone law in 2025. So let's discuss who can own a drone in India. First, can you legally own a drone in India? The answer is yes, but rules apply. Indians must follow DGCA's Drones Rule 2021. Foreigners can fly, but only with the specific permits. Companies need extra clearance for commercial use. Let's discuss what are the must-do before flying drones. Number 1 is drone registration, which is mandatory. All drones must be registered on DGCA's Digital Sky portal. No registration, your drone can be seized. Number 2, get a unique identification number, UIN. After registering, you will get a UIN. Stick it on your drone like a license plate. Number 3 is pilot's license for drones over 2 kgs. Flying a heavy drone? You'll need a remote pilot certificate from a DGCA approved school. This training takes 5 days and costs Rs 25,000. The point comes where you can fly, no-fly zones. Let's discuss which are the no-fly zones. Fly in these zones and you could be arrested under the Aircraft Act. Near airport 5 km radius, military bases borders, national parks, government buildings, major cities like Delhi without police permission, men arrested for flying drone near parliament. Now you should be aware of the key rules while flying. Height limit 400 feet means 120 meter. Never exceed 400 feet or risk interfering with airplanes. Number 2, daylight only, no night flying. Night flights are banned unless you get special permission, almost impossible. Number 3 is don't invade privacy. Drone filming a house, then a big X over it. Filming private property without consent, that's a criminal offense under Indian laws. The penalty for it goes up to 5 lakhs plus jail time. And now the main point is traveling with drones. Bringing a drone to India, declare it to the custom first. Many drones are held at airport if paperwork is missing. To overcome these hurdles, you should carry receipts, DGCA approval and batteries in cabin baggage. So you have to follow these rules and you will enjoy India's skies safely and legally. Now let's discuss what documents are required for drone registration for DCGA. In India, drone registration is regulated by Director General of Civil Aviation (DGCA) under the Drone Rule 2021. So the documents required for drone registration with the Digital Sky platform. For individuals, it will be proof of identity, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport, voter ID. Proof of address. It may be Aadhaar card, utility bills, electricity, water, gas, not older than 3 months, passport, driving license. Regarding the drone details, make, model, serial number, weight and category. And the category will be nano, micro, small, etc. And the type fixed wings, multi-rotor, hybrid, etc. And another detail will be required: drone insurance, mandatory for drones other than nano category. Pilot license if applicable for drones beyond nano category. And the documents required for company or organizations are company PAN card, certificate of incorporation, GST registration if applicable, authorized signatories ID and address proof, board resolution / authorization letter, drone details, drone insurance, remote pilot certificate. And the additional requirements are import clearance if the drone is imported, no permission, no takeoff, NPNT, compliance in certificate for drones requiring DGCA approval, unique identification number UIN number for drones other than nano category. Now the registration process will include 4-5 steps. Number 1, register on Digital Sky platform. Link is given here. Number 2, fill in the required details. Number 3, upload documents like ID, address proof, drone details. Number 4, pay applicable fees, varies based on drone category. Number 5, receive drone acknowledgement number, DAN, or unique identification number, UIN. And here is the important note: nano drones below 250 grams do not require registration but must follow DGCA guidelines. Micro and small drones require registration and may need a remote pilot license (RPL). Commercial drone operations require additional approvals. Got questions? Drop them in the comment section, and if this saved you from a fine, hit like button, share with fellow drone lovers, and subscribe for more tech law guides. And let's explore the future together. See you in the next video. Till then, fly high.